On this episode of DIY, how can speakers be suspended without causing damage to the speaker itself?
DIY, answering your custom smart home questions.
Alright, so this project is at the Socialist in Long Beach, California. I'm going to go over the details on how we did the speakers. So if you look at it, the speakers have stands, and that's how they're supposed to be sitting in the room. So the speaker has a great look. It comes in multiple colors, and it's kind of like the nostalgia of these things. It's a retro, even though it's brand new speakers, they have the retro look to it. All right, so when we knew what we're designing with to create a shell that the speaker can live in and we can drill to without harming the speaker, we got a hold of Pete Deeble, and he is the master of custom cabinetry, especially to match the wood grain of what these JBL speakers are. Remember, it's a retrofit, retro look too. So the finished construction was able to put that exact speaker into that exact box. So what you saw them side by side, you couldn't really tell the difference. We're able to bolt right to it, so we're going to be able to suspend it. It has a back locking system, so the speaker just gets to hang in the front, because we're going to angle these things at like a 45, maybe 35, 45 degree angle, so it can cover the whole restaurant. And what we did is we have kind of two zones. We're going to have 4 speakers in this main area. This dining area will have a DJ. They'll be able to plug into the amplifier, and you have 4 suspended JBL speakers in all corners. And then we also did another zone too, but you can see that they're hung with airplane wire. It's not harming the speaker at all. The sound is perfect, and you get that feel of the retro style speaker. So we were very excited to do this project, because the Socialist is it's been there for a long time, and we're happy to be working with our close neighbors. So I appreciate the work. I appreciate the creativity and the design that we were entrusted in us, and I just think it's 100% what we needed to do. So thanks to Pete Deeble, and thank you to Socialist, and just our whole team did a great job. It sounds good, it looks good, and why don't you go listen to it and check it out. Thanks again.
Have a burning question for digital installers about custom smart homes? You can submit your question at digitalinstallers.com/questions. Every question will be answered by their staff, and some will even be made into a video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and share.